Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your first stock investment, and I'm going to give you 3 steps that you can kind of follow to get there. So let's go ahead and get started. Now to start, you're going to need a brokerage account. Now this sounds intimidating, but really these days it's pretty simple. The 3 brokerages I'm going to recommend in this video include Robinhood, Webull, and Publiccom in no particular order. And I'm going to break each of these 3 down so you can maybe find the one that's the best fit for you. Now I'm going to leave links below to all 3 of these brokerage accounts in the description right under the video. If you do click them and sign up through that link, you will get a free stock, and it does give me a free stock as well, so it helps support me as well. So the first brokerage I'm going to recommend is Robinhood. This is mostly known as the Robinhood app. It's very mobile friendly. It's also probably one of the most popular brokerages right now, definitely one of the fastest growing. It's really user friendly, easy to use. I personally think it's one of the best out there overall for the common person, so that's going to be the first one on the list. Now the next brokerage on my list is going to be Webull. Now Webull is also a very popular app or brokerage, but it also has a way better desktop platform than Robinhood or even some of the other brokerages that are out there. So while the Webull app is a solid app, especially as they've updated and improved it, I still think it's not quite as nice and convenient as the Robinhood app, but their desktop platform is phenomenal. I actually really enjoy using it. It's very simple and clean, but also has a lot of features for completely free. So if you're looking for a brokerage that you can use more on a computer or a desktop, I would recommend Webull overall for that. Now the third brokerage I'm going to recommend is called Publiccom. I actually just opened an account with them last week, and I was kind of trying it out. It's actually a really cool kind of concept what they've done with this app. And again, they don't have that great of a desktop platform, but Publiccom doesn't really need one in my opinion at this stage, because they're really more of a Twitter Robinhood crossover. So I would definitely recommend it for a very casual investor that's just kind of doing it not too seriously. They just want to put some money in the market and maybe add or follow some friends on there. It's more of a social network type investing app in a way, so try to think of it as a Twitter and Robinhood crossover in a way, but it's still a brokerage account that you can buy and sell stocks from, but it's definitely a more casual way to do it, but it is a pretty cool app. Once you've made a brokerage account and opened it up, it shouldn't take too long. It might take you a couple days to get verified or whatnot. But anyways, once you get it opened up, you should be able to then purchase a stock. If you're looking to buy stock for the first time, you have a couple options. First of which is to buy entire shares, and the second option is to buy fractional shares. So basically, if you buy an entire share of a company, that means you have to pay an entire price of 1 share. So if it's a $400 stock, that means you have to pay $400 to get 1 stock. But with fractional shares, you can actually just put in a dollar amount. So even if the stock's $400, you only have to put in at least usually $5 or up, and you can actually just get fractions of a share, so you don't have to commit to buying a whole share of a company. If you only want to invest $5, $10, $20, $30, $50 or $100 at a time, you can do that. And not all brokerage accounts have fractional shares enabled, but every one of them that I listed in this video, Publiccom, Robinhood, and Webull all do have fractional shares. And when it comes to picking a stock, I think the easiest place and simplest advice I could give on it is just look around you. Like, what are you using? What do people use? What's popular in the world? These are going to be the big companies. Like everyone has an iPhone, so Apple, PlayStation is really popular, so that's Sony. Microsoft, because everybody has Microsoft Windows on their computer pretty much. And if they don't have that, then again, they have a MacBook or a Mac and that's an Apple computer. So just try to look at, very popular companies. I'd say that's where you should start picking stocks from if you're just a beginner. You can't really go too wrong with that. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. I'm just trying to give you guys my opinion and a way to get started. But the third and final step is to actually deposit. So you're usually going to have to connect a bank account to your brokerage account and then transfer some money over. Most of these brokerages, I do believe, give you instant buying power, meaning as soon as you click transfer from your bank, before it's actually transferred, you can go ahead and use that buying power to buy whatever stock you want with it. And as soon as you deposit and you have that buying power in your account, or the money that you transferred over into your account, you're ready to buy some stocks. So hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.